So to demonstrate this, let's go back to our PyCharm. So you remember that the commands I've done before, like print, this is your first Python class. You can see that this is enclosed in what's it called, in single quotes. So you are telling your system that this is a string. So anything that is contained within a quote is a string, right? So example of that is this one, and we will demonstrate the second one. Let's demonstrate the second one. This, I will just copy this, come here, say print. I'll do that. Uh, so the computer doesn't like that. I have to type it myself. Maybe it's copied some other bogus stuff in. So this is an example of using double quotes for string, right? If I print that, it get printed out. Yeah, you see, you can see the response here, the terminal. And let's say, for example, I want to type a very long string. I will just say one, two, three there, three quotes, and I'll say this is the first line, enter. This is the second line, enter. This is another line, enter. This is another line again. So maybe let's try to number them so that it will be clear when we see the response. One, two, three, uh, and four. So I don't want this to run. I comment it out. I don't want this to run. I comment it out. So if I click run now, we'll just say what is going on there, right? And I click run. So you can see it goes, this is the first line, this is the second line. Let me bring it up so that we can see clearly. This is the first line, second line, third line, and so on and so forth. So that's how